right? They know how to do it, but maybe some things came up in their life that's taking their time away from actually spending time on their dreams. Welcome, my friends. If you are new here to this channel, my name is Jay, and on this channel, I do everything from how-to videos and step-by-step guides, teaching you exactly how to create and sell your own digital products online. And so if you are new here and you like content just like this, consider subscribing to my channel. If you're getting value from today's video, I want to encourage you, go ahead and hit like on today's video because that helps out this channel a lot. Best way to make passive income today online, for my experience, in my opinion, is to create a digital product, and more specifically to create a high ticket digital product. And so if you are here, my friends, the first thing I want you to know is you got to start, right? Success cannot happen unless you choose to start, right? A lot of people want to gain money online and start making a difference for their family, and all those dreams are possible, but no dream can become a reality unless you choose to start today. And so my question I want to ask you before we get to any training today is, have you started your Etsy shop? And if you have not, started your Etsy shop, my friend, I want to encourage you, choose to start today. Because here's the facts, right? Small actions taken daily will produce a lifetime of results, right? If we can just capture that in today, that can be very powerful for us to move forward in today's video. Again, small actions taken daily will produce a lifetime of results. And if you haven't started your Etsy shop, my question I want to ask you then, my friend, is what's stopping you, right? What is stopping you from making the steps you know that can change your financial future? What is stopping you? Because sometimes what stops people is they have all the knowledge, but they just don't have the motivation to keep going, right? They know how to do it, but maybe some things came up in their life that's taking their time away from actually spending time on their dreams. And so I want you to pause today, kind of sit back a little bit and analyze your life and see where you are, because usually where you are today is not where you want to be in the future. And to get to success doesn't take major leaps, my friend. It takes small actions, right? To get to success doesn't take major leaps. It takes small actions daily that will help you produce a lifetime of results. And so our focus today is why you need to start an Etsy shop that is not relying on Etsy ads, right? Why do you need to start an Etsy shop that is not relying on Etsy ads? And here's what we're going to learn today, my friends, is that Etsy ads, if it's not done the right way, can actually be a waste of your money, right? If you are not using good keywords on your listings, running Etsy ads is not really going to be helpful to you, because Etsy ads are ran based upon the keywords, your title, your tag, your descriptions. Etsy ads are ran by the information you put in your tags, your title, and your descriptions. That means if you are not fully aware of how to use proper keywords in these three places, well, guess what? Your ads could be placed in unrelated categories. And then therefore, you're never going to get a sale, because who Etsy is presenting your ad to is not tied to what your product really is. Here's another thing, right? You cannot take control of the price per click. That's what we call the PPC. That means in regards to Etsy ads, they give you the option of laying down how much money you want to pay for ads, but they don't give you the option of where your ads going to land and how much money you pay per click. That means if somebody clicks your ad, it's going to cost you something based upon that specific niche. But the problem with Etsy ads is that they don't give you the option to choose how much you are willing to pay per each click. That means if your ad spend is $3 per day, sometimes one click can be 75 cents. Okay, so how much more can you spend in that day's worth of ads if one click costs you 75 cents? Again, you want to make sure that you are using the best outcome in order to get the highest results. And running ads on Etsy may not necessarily be the place you need to spend your money as a new seller on Etsy. And here's a problem also, right? When you are running Etsy ads and you're not doing it the best way, the profit margins can be minimized if ads are not running efficiently and effectively, right? Your ads are using all of the money that you just earned, but it's not giving you a return on your investment. So again, we're talking about as a new seller on Etsy, why I believe if you're new to selling on Etsy, you do not need to spend your money running ads, because there is another more profitable way to actually earn an income on Etsy as a beginner. And here's my last thing I want us to look at. Etsy ads bring shoppers to your product, but it does not offer retargeting data or ownership of that traffic you pay for. Now, I know that might be a mouthful, so I want to break that down. When you are running ads on Etsy, right, shoppers are coming to the platform, but that does not mean you can retarget those shoppers in the future, because you do not own that traffic that you pay for, right? So when you're running ads, they might click on your product, but there are other products on the platform that might catch their eye. And therefore, you might be spending money on your particular product, but then that person might see someone else's product down below. So what happens when that person clicks on somebody else's product? Guess what? Bye-bye, they're gone, right? You cannot retarget them. You cannot capture them back. If you're not running steps to capture their email and to build an audience and all those things we're going to talk about today, guess what? You just wasted your money on someone who's not going to return to you. And therefore, you actually brought traffic to Etsy, and not more so specifically getting that traffic into your own squeeze page, marketing page, email funnel, all those things we're going to talk about today. More so said, you don't own it, right? You just lost it. And so in today's video, my friend, I want to tell you something. There's a better way, right? There is a better way for you to earn money as a new seller on Etsy, because there are more opportunities for you to earn more money without running ads. And it's all about bringing traffic to your Etsy shop, right? It's all about bringing traffic to your Etsy shop. So that is the end of today's video. That was in a way helpful or encouraging. Make sure you guys like the video. And if you want to see more content like this, I drop new videos every Tuesday and Thursday to help you create and sell your own digital products online. And so if you like content like this, consider subscribing to my channel. And as always, my friends, I will see you in the next video.